Video messages are very effective in making an emotional connect with the customers. They are known to increase engagement by 86%.
Hi, this is Belle, and I am here to help you boost your business by showing you this amazing platform.
Feedeo is an AI interactive video generator to generate leads, showcase products,
Gamify engagement, and collect feedback effortlessly. It can be used for marketing, video interviews, video surveys,
product showcasing, video feedback.
Ankit will take over from here.
Wow, that was amazing. In today's video, we will go through an amazing AI interactive video generator, which is very useful to boost business and sales. This platform is called Feedeo. You already saw all the use cases as mentioned by our amazing hosts in the introduction part. Video messages are really effective because of the emotional connect they seem to have with the viewer. I have already gone through the basics of this platform along with some use cases in a previous video which is linked down below if you want to check it out. However, Feedeo has upped their game even more by adding some incredible features like more AI avatars, more templates for marketing purposes, and a more generous free plan. So let's check it out. So once you come to the website of Feedeo, you'll see this interface. So just come here and log in to create your free account, or you can straight away come here and click on Create AI Video, after which you'll have to create your free account using your email or your Google ID. Once your account is created, you'll come here to the home page, and here is the template section where you'll find pre-made template section categorized subject-wise from NPS, lead generation, customer support, contact form, email campaigns, video screening, satisfaction survey, video FAQ, and all of these amazing templates. So just go back to home, come here and click on create a video. This time let's try creating an email campaign videos. So here this template is divided into 3 sections. On the left is the basic builder where we'll put on all the basic requirements. In the center is the portion where we'll get to see the results of what we are doing, and on the right is the editor. So let's start. Click on this basic introduction, come here and click on video, and here below you can see all the avatars available. These are some of the images that I have uploaded on my own, which I created in Mid-Journey and which you saw in the introduction of this video as well. So you can come here and select from all the amazing pre-existing avatars. Just select one for creating this example. Let's select this guy. Once you've selected the avatar, you'll come here and select from the various voice options available, from natural to broadcast to cheerful, friendly, narration. Let's stick to natural. Come here and select your preferred language. Here the pre-selected language is English. Here down is the script where we can write a script. So let me just paste the script I have created. I'll just paste my script. I am Jeff. As your dedicated account manager, I stay on top of the latest trends and ensure you get the maximum value from our services. As our valued customer, you are the first one to know about our latest product launch, which will change the way you do business. Once you've pasted the script, then come here and click on components. And here this says basic introduction. And if you check on this display on video, basic introduction comes here. So we don't need this. So I'll just uncheck this. Answer type, open WhatsApp, since this will encourage the customer to directly interact with us. Call to action, chat on WhatsApp seems perfect. And here is the number. So I'll just paste in my number for the time being, so that the potential lead can straight away interact with your desired number who you want to nurture as a lead. Then I'll come here and click on logic, and this one doesn't really require any logic because it's pretty straightforward and simple. So once you're satisfied with everything, just come here and click on publish, and it should take about 2 to 5 minutes for the video to be ready. And here the video is ready. I'll click on view link.
Hi, I'm Jeff. As your dedicated account manager, I stay on top of the latest trends and ensure you get maximum value from our services. As our valued customer, you are the first one to know about our latest product launch, which will change the way you do business.
Pretty sweet. And this is far better than sending out cold emails, I think. And let's click on this button, chat on WhatsApp, to see what happens. I'll click on this, and after clicking on this is probing me to open my WhatsApp so that I can straight away chat with the number which was linked on the message. So once you're satisfied with this, you can go back to your home page. Once again, click on the video you made, come here and click on share. Or here you have the option of straight away copying your link and sharing it on the social media platforms or WhatsApp even to your potential leads. And here if you come and see, they have also given you the iframe code, so you can embed this in your website also. And if you come here and click on responses, this is where you'll be able to see all the responses that have been collected by this video message from your potential leads. Since right now this video has not been published, this page is empty. Now let's check out another kind of use case. Once again, I'll come here and click on create video, and we'll create a video FAQ, which I believe should be very helpful for all your existing customers or potential leads to educate them about the product without having to send boring PDFs. So once you come here, you'll see this template, and we've already gone through this before. Here on the left is the builder section, in the center is the display section, and on the right is the editor. First we'll come here and click on this on the left, one builder, then we'll come here and click on video. Then we have the option of selecting from all these various avatars available here. They have added tons of new avatar options, or you can upload your own avatar option like I have done here. So this time let's select one of our uploaded avatars. I'll select this lady. Then I'll come and select her voice to be Bell Professional. Language remains as English. And here is the script. Hi, this is Vlada. How can I assist you today? This seems fine. Then I'll click on components. Here this is the text. How can I assist you today? We'll select display on video to be checked so that it's visible here. Answer type multiple choice seems fine. Here are the 3 multiple choice options available. Track and order, return item, recommend products. This seems fine. Then I'll click on logic. So here the pre-made logic seems perfect. So if the customer selects 1, this will go to the track order status. If it selects 2, it will go to the return item. And if the customer selects 3, it will go to recommend products. We will see ahead how these logics all come together to guide the viewer. So our first section is done. Then I'll come to this part and click on this, the second part which says to FAQ. Let's select the first one. Now for the first option, which was track order status, I'll click on video. I'll let all of this remain as is. The avatar remains the same, the voice remains the same, the language remains the same, and the script also seems perfect. I'll click on components, track order status. I'll just check on this so that this is visible here. The button seems fine. Call to action, contact us is also fine. Then I'll click on logic, and here one has the option to put in the link of their website, which will enable the customer to contact them. So for right now, I'll let this be. Now I'll come to the second option, which is return item. Once again, I'll click on video. I'll let all of this remain as is. The script also seems perfect. Then I'll click on components. I'll just click on display video. Everything else remains as is. I'll click on logic, and this will take me to how can I assist you today, since all the customer here has to do is return the item. So there is no further interaction needed with the video message bot. Then I'll come to the last option, which was recommend products. I'll click on video. Once again, all of this remains as is. And here is the script section where you can put in the script of your latest product that you want to recommend to your customer, or any other product or a bundle of products. So here the preset script is about a smartwatch. Our top selling active smartwatch. Customers love the 24/7 tracking, health stats, etc. Get notifications on your wrist, 7-day battery life. So here the avatar will go ahead and describe the most recommended product, or you can customize the script. Once again, I'll click on components. I'll display this text, recommended products, or I'll just change this to you can't miss this. This remains as is. Answer button, call to action, learn more looks okay. So here the answer type is a button, and the text on the button says learn more, which also seems okay. Now we'll go on to logic, and on the logic button here in the link space, one can put the link which will guide the potential customer to the recommended product page. So once all of this is done, you can just come here and click on publish, and the video shall be ready in the next 2 to 5 minutes.
Hi, this is Vlada. How can I assist you today?
Your message has asked me the first question, and I have all these 3 options. Let me click on track order status.
To track your order status, please sign into your account and go to your orders page. You can see detailed updates on each order's fulfillment and delivery. Contact us if you need any other help.
Perfect. So it gives me the option of how to track my order, and it informs me about how to track my order. And then eventually I have the option of clicking on contact us so that I can contact them directly if there is any other issue. Let's check out the other option, return item, and let's see what is.
To return an item, go to your order and select return. Print the return shipping label and send the item back within 30 days of purchase.
Now let's check out recommend products.
Our top-selling active smartwatch, customers love the 24/7 tracking of health stats like steps, heart rate, and sleep. Get notifications on your wrist, 7-day battery life, and customizable watch faces to match your style. I highly recommend our popular active smartwatch.
Fine. So this was amazing. So isn't it pretty cool to have such a nice video interactive message which will not only help your customers with their issues like returning products or tracking orders, but also recommend new products that you are launching. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below and test Feedeo out today to increase your business and boost your sales. Let's check out what their free plan offers, using which one can test this platform thoroughly before deciding to upgrade to a paid version. The free platform offers 50 responses a month, which means that one can do 50 iterations with each video. Each change or edit counts as one response. The free plan allows 3 published videos every month. We are allowing limited digital avatars in the free plan. To upload your own avatar like how I did in this video, you need to upgrade to the paid plan. The script length is limited to 300 characters, which is good to test out short video messages initially. And you also get a shareable link. So I believe the free plan is pretty robust for one to test this platform out. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you will certainly enjoy this video which is going to come up here on the screen, where we have discussed an amazing AI tool using which you can create your own AI app. Also link down a video which we had made previously covering the basics of Feedeo. If you don't have time right now, save this video for later, as no video is more important than your time. I will continue to strive to make more such videos to see how we can leverage the power of AI for our greater good. Thank you and see you in the next video.